Hello everyone, just a real quick tutorial on how to use Google Classroom. First thing you're going to do is have a student log into their Google account. Once he or she has done that, they are going to go to their waffle here in the right hand corner and click on the Google app, Google Classroom. Once they've done that, they'll see a dashboard. Each dashboard is going to have an icon for each one of their classes. If we go to this one as an example, now we're in each Google class. Each Google class is going to have the name. It's going to have a Google Meet link if you need to video chat or conference with your teacher. And it also has a nice little icon here for any upcoming assignments that students can just quickly see, oh, I have this due coming up, and keep track of things that way. The home page for each class is going to be a stream page. This is where teachers are going to post daily announcements. They're in chronological order. The announcements vary by teacher. So some teachers, like we can see Mr. Woody here, does a video daily announcement where he overviews what students should be doing each day in class. Some teachers are utilizing a checklist. Some teachers are writing in paragraph format. Some teachers are linking assignments in their announcements here. Some teachers are just referring to the Classwork tab, which is what I will show you next. So we were in the Stream tab now. We're going to move over to the Classwork tab. This is where we'll find assignments for all of our students. We can see some teachers are organizing their Classwork tab just by having all assignments listed in chronological order. If we moved to another class, which to do that, I just click on this 3 lines here in the top left corner now and click on another class. If I go to another Classwork page, I can see some teachers are organizing things in categories. So that's teacher preference as well. Regardless, we'll see any class assignments assigned in that Classwork tab. To view a status of an assignment, we would click on a class and we would see in the top right hand corner the status of each assignment. There's 4 different statuses that we can see. One of them would be missing. So if a student was to turn something in and did not turn something in, a red missing, you'd see the red missing sign there. If something was graded, some teachers are still grading on Google Classroom. They're not required to because we're still using JMC. The teachers would then resend the graded assignment back to the student, and it would say graded here. Another status we can see an example here is assigned. If we go into an assigned assignment, I can show you how students are actually submitting things. So here's an example of assignment. This teacher posted directions and a link to the actual assignment. A student to submit their work would click this button right here, and then they'd mark it as done. And by clicking the marking it as done, that will then notify the teacher that a student has submitted an assignment, and it will also show up on that to-do list as turned in. So if we look here, we can see, of course it doesn't come up right away. Another example is turned in there that a student can have. The problem is that sometimes students are not actually submitting anything, not actually uploading anything, and they're marking things as done. So the teacher is getting basically an empty page. And so when we are hearing from students, I'm doing everything, I'm turning everything in, and we're looking at our student's assignment page and it says turned in, but there's no grades being done. That might be one of the issues that we're seeing, is that the students actually aren't completing their work. They're just marking it as complete. Another cool option that we can use is the to-do list. So to get there, I went to this top left-hand corner on those 3 lines, and a to-do list pops up. This to-do list will take all assignments from all classes, and it organizes them in 3 categories. One is assigned. That's anything that's due coming up that the student has to do. It will also organize things that are missing, things that the student still needs to do. And then done, which would be things that are turned in or things that are graded, are in this section right here. Another cool feature is the calendar feature in Google Classroom. To get there, I go to that same 3 lines in the top left corner, click on calendar, and this helps students organize by due date that teachers have written in when they have things due coming up. And so that's kind of a nifty feature. Instead of using assignment notebooks, they now have virtual assignment notebooks, so to speak. Overall, I hope this helped. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm very much here for you. Thanks, guys.